In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Monday.com dashboard within minutes. Whether you're completely new to Monday.com or just looking to brush up on your dashboard building skills, you're in the right place. First, let's dive into what Monday.com dashboards are all about. They serve as a visual platform where you can aggregate and visualize your project data. This way you can keep tabs on your team's progress, manage resources more efficiently, and make informed decisions based on real-time data. So, how do we get started? The journey begins by navigating to the Monday.com homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice a plus icon next to your main workspace. This is where your creativity begins. Click on that plus icon to open up a new realm of possibilities. Next, select Dashboard from the options presented. This action takes you one step closer to creating your very own digital command center. Now it's time to give your dashboard a name. This should be something intuitive, something that instantly gives you and your team a heads up about what the dashboard is for. After naming your dashboard, you'll have to make a decision whether this dashboard will be for everyone's eyes, main, or if it's going to be your little secret, private. Decide wisely based on who needs access to the information it's going to display. Once you've made your choice, go ahead and click on Create Dashboard. Congratulations, you've now laid the foundation of your dashboard. The next step, bringing it to life with widgets. Widgets are essentially the building blocks of your dashboard. They allow you to display data in various forms, charts, numbers, timelines, you name it. So click on Add Your First Widget to explore the different ways you can visualize your data. If you're focused on tracking project progress or financial goals, adding a chart might be the way to go. This visual representation makes complex data digestible at a glance. For those interested in key metrics or KPIs, the number widget is your friend. It lets you spotlight crucial figures without clutter. And then there's the battery widget. Think of it as a gauge that helps you monitor the overall health or status of a project or task. It's particularly handy for quickly assessing how much work has been completed versus what's still on the table. For those of you keen on timelines or looking to oversee projects with multiple phases, the Gantt chart is a must-have. It's perfect for visualizing how tasks overlap and for ensuring your project is on track. Remember, the aim here is not just to fill your dashboard with widgets, but to choose those that offer genuine insight into your projects and workflows. Each widget, each piece of data you decide to display should serve a purpose. Ask yourself, what do I need to know at a glance? And let that guide your selection. Customizing your dashboard doesn't end there. Each widget comes with its own set of customization options. Take the time to explore these. Adjust the colors, the data ranges, the metrics displayed. Tailor everything to suit your needs and the needs of your team. And let's not overlook the importance of revisiting and refining your dashboard. As your projects evolve, so too should your dashboard. It's a dynamic tool, one that should grow and adapt with your projects. Before we wrap up, here's a pro tip. Engage with your team. Get their input on what data they'd find most useful. After all, this dashboard is a tool for them as much as it is for you. By involving them in the dashboard's development, you ensure it becomes an integral part of your team's workflow. Creating a Monday.com dashboard might seem daunting at first, but as you've seen, it's really a matter of a few clicks and decisions. Start by adding just a few key widgets, and gradually build up to a more comprehensive dashboard as you become more comfortable with the process. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating a practical, insightful and visually appealing Monday.com dashboard. With these tips in mind, you're well equipped to transform raw data into a strategic asset for your team. So go ahead, dive in and start building a dashboard that brings clarity, focus and efficiency to your projects. Happy dashboarding?